Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Files app on your iPhone. First, find the blue Files app icon on your home screen or in your app library and tap to open it. Once inside, you'll see two main tabs, Browse and Recents. Browse lets you navigate through various locations, including your iPhone, iCloud Drive, and other connected cloud services. Recents shows files you've accessed lately, making it easy to pick up where you left off. This is your central hub for all documents. Now let's organize your files effectively. To create a new folder, simply tap the three dots icon in the top right corner, then select New Folder. You can easily move or copy files by long pressing on a file, choosing Move or Copy, and then navigating to your desired destination. Renaming files and folders is just as simple. Long press the item, select Rename, and type in your new name. These steps help keep your digital workspace tidy. Sharing and saving files is straightforward. To share a file, long press it, then tap Share to send it via AirDrop, Messages, Mail, or other apps. When you receive an attachment in Mail or another app, you can often long press it and choose Save to Files to store it directly. The Files app also lets you scan physical documents into PDFs. Just tap the three dots icon and select Scan Documents. This makes digitizing paperwork incredibly easy. Finally, you can compress files into zip archives to save space or decompress them easily when needed. Tagging files with keywords helps you find them quickly later, especially useful for large collections of documents. These advanced features empower you to manage your digital life more efficiently and keep everything perfectly organized. Before you go, remember to check the description below for links to some fantastic deals, including that Oala water bottle and other helpful resources. It's a great way to stay on top of your digital and physical well-being.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.